going to teach you how to solve the integral of x squared. Let's go step by step to understand how to integrate this function using basic integration rules. So we're given x squared dx. Since we're integrating, we need to use the power rule for integration. The power rule states xn dx xn plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c, where n is any real number and c is the constant of integration, since indefinite integrals always include a constant. So now, let's solve for x squared dx. Here, n is equals to 12. So, applying the power rule, x squared x squared plus 1 over 2 plus 1 plus c. Then let's simplify it. Equals x g plus c. So here is the final answer.
So, f of x, 3x raised to 4. Ang unang gagawin ay unahin muna, hanapin yung outer. Yung outer na is f of u equals 3u. Yung u parang pinalitan lang ng x raised to 4. Then, ayan lang. Yung inner natin is yung equals u equals x raised to 4. Then, sunod, i-differentiate natin. Ilalagay na natin yung d over u. Then, 3u equals 3. Then, du over dx equals 4 raised to 3. Next, ilalagay na natin yung chain rule. D over dx, f of x equals 3 times 4x raised to 3 equals 12x raised to 3. Then yung final answer natin is f of x equals 12x raised to c.
So I'll be teaching you how to solve the derivative number 3. So bago tayo mag-proceed sa solving, tuturuan ko kayo ng easiest way to solve this problem. Gagamit lang tayo ng power rule na tinatawag para mapadali at hindi na natin kailangan pang mag-solve ng mahaba or magpakita ng mahabang solution. So, ang ating first step is etong exponent natin na 3 ay ilalabas natin siya dito sa ating left side o sa ating harap ng 2. So, yan. So, copy the 2x but put it inside the parentheses. Then, huwag niyong kakalimutan na i-copy pa rin ang ating exponent but mag-insert kayo ng -1. So, ang ating constant na 13, i-disregard na natin siya since sa rule ng derivative, kapag constant is considered as 0. So, disregard na natin yan. So, next is distribute the 3 sa ating 2x. So, it will be 6x then minus the 3 sa ating 1 and it will be 2. So, ayan ang ating final answer. Our final answer is 6x squared. So, ayan lang po.
For the next number, we have number 4. F of x is equals 2 over x to the power of 7 plus 7 over x to the power of 5. So, since meron tayong fraction, yung nasa baba, yung denominator, kailangan natin siyang iangat. So, kapag nag-angat tayo ng denominator, yung exponent niya magiging negative. So, ang mangyayari is 2x to the power of negative 7, magiging negative 2, plus 7x to the power of negative 5, magiging negative 2. So, after this, applying the power rule, ang mangyayari ay itong negative 7 ng exponent na minus natin sa negative 1 plus 7x exponent negative 5 minus 1. So, after nyan, kailangan nating i-multiply yung exponent sa constant. Ang mangyayari is negative 7 times 2 is negative 14. Copy x. Negative 7 minus 1 is negative 8. Negative 5 times 7 is negative 35x. Kopya. Negative x minus 1 is negative 6. After neto, since meron tayong negative exponent, hindi siya pwede. So, ang mangyayari, babalik lang natin yung may negative na exponent na variable sa ibaba. Katulad neto, kung kanina inangat natin siya, ngayon ibababa natin siya. So, kung mangyayari, maiwan yung negative 14 sa taas, pupunta sa ibaba ay yung x to the power of 8. Yung negative doon, pag binaba siya dito, magiging positive siya. Minus, copy the sign, 35 over x to the power of 6. Yung negative na exponent, pupunta sa baba, magiging positive. So, since wala na tayong pwede pang simplify dito, ito na ang ating final answer. Negative 14 over x to the power of 8 minus 35 over x to the power of 6.
So, for the last example of derivative, we have 2x squared plus 4x minus 3 to the power of 6. Now, we will bring down that same function, which is going to be 2x squared plus 4x minus 3 raised to the power of 6. Now, and we will copy it the same on the other side, which will become 2x squared plus 4x minus 3, but this time without the power of 6. And what will now happen is the 6 will be multiplied by the 1 in front of the function, and after that it will be subtracted by 1. Now, what will happen on the other side? The exponents will be subtracted by 1. What will happen is the 2x squared, the exponent of 2 will have a negative 1. And the same goes with the 4x. Since it has a 1, it will become 1 minus 1. And since the negative 3 doesn't have an exponent, we will cancel it out. Now, for our final answer, we will have 6 times 2x squared plus 4x minus 3 multiplied to the power of 5 multiplied by the 4x plus 4, or we can have another final answer. Now, to solve for the other final answer, what will happen is we will multiply the binomial to the trinomial by using distribution method. So the 4x will be multiplied to the 2x squared plus 4x minus 3, and same with the positive 4. What will become is positive 4 times 2x squared times then positive 4 times positive 4x, then positive 4 times negative 3. Now, the other final answer can be 8x cubed plus 8x squared minus 12x plus 8x squared plus 16x minus 12. Now, combine the like terms. Now, we will have 8x cubed plus 16x squared as our second final answer.